Welcome you all to my news channel, that is Sant News. Please note, all these things is my understanding about the news. If you have any opinion, view or comment, please write down in the comment section below. So let's go to the news quickly. Let us see the highlight of the news. First one is Yoga and Ayurveda, a Vatican agenda. Second one is Chinese virus, Wuhan COVID-19, a Chinese agenda related. And third one is arrogance of social media, Twitter. Now news in detail about Yoga and Ayurveda, Baba Ramdev. He has given some statement about how allopathic doctor treat the patient and how the treatment happens in Yoga and Ayurveda. So he has given the example that how they are being looted by the allopathic doctor in the name of some noble business or noble cause. So there is one organization, IMA. This organization was established by Britishers during their time to propagate the Christianity so that more people should be loyal towards the British rule, and they can continue to rule India. So that was their intention, and they had made this organization, and this organization always treat Ayurveda and Yoga and other naturopathy and Indian system as the jhola chhap. Okay, that kind of statement these doctors and allopathic doctor give for the Ayurvedic. So Baba Ramdev was saying that what the Ayurveda doctor do and how allopathic doctor treats them. So because of IMA foolishness, now we know that IMA is not a government appointed body, it is a Christian missionary organization agenda. So their intention is to malign the Ayurveda and Yoga. So they expose themselves because of their foolishness. And also we know that in Ayurveda there are many systems of treatment are there. So one of the method is Kaya Chikitsa. So Kaya Chikitsa nothing but allopathic treatment. So all the allopathic doctors should consider they are part of Ayurveda, they are just practicing one branch of Ayurveda, that is Kaya Chikitsa, in the name of allopathic treatment. Then so they should understand they are not away from the Ayurveda. Okay. Now next level is trust about the allopathic treatment. We know whenever we go to the hospital in case of any critical emergency case, then it is okay. Whatever doctor will say that we have to listen and we have to follow. But there are cases wherein unnecessary these doctors will make the situation worse and it will make critical, and then it will give some or other reason to make them follow. So for example, for simple disease or simple illness, they will ask for n numbers of tests to be done because they have some link with the testing agency and all pharma agency like that. So they are doing like this. So we can hear this kind of cases regularly. So trust level is very low, we know, for the allopathic treatment. Then also we understand the cost of allopathic treatment is very much high. You go once in the hospital, then you have to listen whatever money they wanted to extract from you, so they will extract from you, and you cannot guarantee that their treatment will be resulting you will be becoming becoming well after the treatment. So that is what the situation, and Baba Ramdev's this statement exposed this IMA foolishness. They however they withdrawn their complaint because they filed a suit against Baba Ramdev, but they withdrawn. But it was their foolishness, they unnecessarily exposed themselves. Is about the Chinese virus, that is Wuhan virus. And what we understand that this Wuhan virus is basically biological warfare initiated from the Wuhan lab, because in initial days many technician and lab assistant there in the Wuhan, they got sickness and they had been reporting sickness because of this virus. So they were working on that, and now US government has decided for 90 days investigation to understand the root cause of this virus. As in the previous investigation, Chinese government was not supporting, they are not giving the reports. So now we hope that the clear picture will come and it will reveal the true Chinese design. And also now we understand that in China also this virus is spreading, different variant is spreading. Many of the big Chinese city has been in lockdown, so China is getting the fruit of its whatever they sowed. Also we understand that in Chinese army also many people are soldiers are got infected with the virus, so there is big trouble in the Chinese military also. About the arrogance of social media, especially Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So they have double standard in case of India when they are operating. In other countries they are following the law of the land, but in India they are saying that we will not follow the government direction or regulation, government rule, Indian rule, which says that if any user having any grievance about the post, so then they can report to the social media site, and social media site within some given time frame with the given authority, they should resolve that issue. So government has asked to appoint those people who will be staying in India and operating from India. But these people, social media side having the double standard, they are saying no, this is infringing the privacy of the people. But the double standard for them is in other countries, for example in US, they have the rule to have this kind of authority who would address the local grievance, but in India case they are saying that it is infringing of the privacy. So this is a double, so they got exposed. Okay, now also their behavior is very unruly. They are operating in India, so they should follow the law of the land, but they consider themselves as superior to the country and the law, and they are disobeying the rule what they should follow. Why government said? Because they have to follow the rules, because these are the risk for our security. As we know, many of the communication happened between the terrorist and their handlers and sleeper cells through the social media and through these sites. So government asked them to appoint the people who will be able to manage these kind of things, but they are not following. Basically this is risk to our country, so they must follow. And also there are some posts in the social media, false post. They will promote the false post which will create the division between the society, and this is not good for our country. But their arrogance, they are not following the law of the land. I hope you would have liked the news. If you wanted to know the details of any of the news, please write below in the comment section, and if you have any feedback, please write there. Please share and subscribe this video to your friends and family. With this, keep smiling.